Okay, so we'll continue with May June 2020, question 1D. The state one benefits to that of investing in computer technology. When you invest in technology, technology makes things become better and faster, that's efficiency. So if TAD is investing in computer technology, it means TAD will be able to offer quality service to its clients. That's what technology will do. I think it's clear. Is it clear, please?
Yes.
And that might increase its revenue. Because when you give quality, customers will return. They always come back to you. That's 1D. Then we go to 1E. They said TAD buys a drum kit for £190 and sells it for £350. Calculate it to 2 decimal places, the markup on this drum. When we talk about markup, markup is profit per item divided by cost per item multiplied by 100. And how do we get profit? Profit is always selling price minus cost price. So here we have our selling price to be 350 and the cost price is 190. So 350 minus 190 gives us 160. 160 over 350 multiplied by 100 gives us our markup. I think it's clear.
Yes.
The next one. Explain one disadvantage of being in a partnership. When we talk about partnership is a business that comprises 2 to 20 people with the aim of making profit. It doesn't exceed 20 according to law. So it means if you are getting to 21, 22, then you start thinking about becoming a private limited company. So what are the advantages, the problems or setbacks of being in a partnership? Number one, profit will be shared, which means the return on investment is smaller. Unlike a sole trader will have all the profit to himself or herself. But because it's partnership, it means you have to share profit with the rest of the partners. That reduces the amount of money you make in terms of revenue, in terms of profit. Do you get it? Your return on investment will be smaller because you have to share the profit with the rest of the partners. Unlike a sole trader, which all the return on investment is yours. 2, conflict of interest. Because we are human, we are people, we have different interests. So because we have different interests, that might bring about disagreements. And when there's disagreement, we won't be able to reach conclusion about decisions. So decision making might be slow. Do you understand the second problem about partnership? The third one, unlimited liability. And what about liability? Liability is a debt to the third party. As soon as a business incurs debt, the debt can be transferred to the personal wealth of the owners. That is why it's unlimited liability. Sole traders are unlimited liability, partnership are also unlimited liability. So which means whatever the business owns, the business is unable to take itself away from the owners of the business. Whatever happens to the business affects the owners of the business. That is unlimited liability. So that takes us to question G. Analyze the importance of location for tax. Location implies to where the business is situated or located, right? So what are you have to make decisions about location. The first decision you can make about location is proximity to customers. Based on the case study, TAD is operating in an area that is for rich or wealthy people. So locating in the place where wealthy people are means that wealthy children might be able to come to TAD's school. Do you understand? So here I know, proximity to customers. TAD must locate where wealthy customers are, as it turns into a school. This will allow wealthy parents to register their kids, as parents might feel reluctant to take their kids to a very far distance. So because it's closer to TAD, then they won't have to think about taking them far away. So that's one reason why it is important for you to locate your business where your customers are. The second one is proximity to competitors. You have to think about your competitors. If you are doing the same business as your competitors, then you have to find a way to be far away from them. Because if you are closer to them, it means you're going to share the same customers. And there's no customer in heaven, not the customers are here. That's another problem. That's another importance of locating your business where your competitors are far away from. Then that takes us to the next one. Question 2. TAD is looking to expand by offering lessons in other musical instruments. State one reason why this could lead to a business failure. We're talking about business failure. Business failure simply means the business is not making profit. Its expectation is not coming to pass.